Hello friends, welcome to my channel CBSE English. In today's video, we are going to learn voice typing in different applications like Google Forms, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger and many more. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Friends, we need to install here one application, that is Gboard. So click on Play Store. Then type here Gboard, that is Google Keyboard. In many of the smartphones, this Gboard is pre-installed. Still, if it is not installed, we can install it very easily. In my mobile, it is already installed. Now, our second work is we have to go to Settings. In Settings, go to Additional Settings. In Additional Settings, click on Languages and Input. Here we need to change keyboard. So click on Current Keyboard and then click on Gboard. Now here we can use multiple languages. That's why we have to click on here Gboard Multilingual Typing. Click on here and then just click on Languages and select the languages. Add keyboard, English, done, Hindi, done. Then suppose we need Marathi language, then done. Then suppose we need Odia, done. So here you can add any languages that you need typing in. Our setting is done. Dear friends, this application and setting is very much important for the students nowadays because they are receiving question papers in Google Forms and they have to type short answer type questions and long answer type questions in Google Form itself. Suppose for example, we receive this Google Form link of question paper in WhatsApp. So what we do? We click on the link and open it with Google Chrome or any other browser like this. And after opening this Google Form question paper link, we start writing the answers. See, for example, you need to write in English suppose. So our Gboard is ready now. And here instead of typing with the fingers, voice typing is ready. How to do that? Just click on this mic and our voice typing starts. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. So dear friends, like this, we need only little bit editing here and then everything is okay. Suppose you have to type in Hindi, then just long press on this space bar and click on Hindi. Again, click on this mic icon and start speaking in Hindi. भारत हमारा देश है. हम सब भारतवासी भाई बहन है. हमें अपना देश प्राणों से भी प्यारा है. So dear friends, like this, we just need to put here some punctuation marks. Now dear friends, if you want to type in Marathi, then the same process. Long press on the space bar and click here or select Marathi language. Then just press on this mic icon and speak your answer in Marathi. भारत माझा देश आहे. सारे भारतीय माझे बांधव आहेत. माझ्या देशावर माझे प्रेम आहे. So in this way, dear friends, it is very easy to type your answer in different languages through voice speaking. Now if you want to type suppose in WhatsApp, it is also very easy. Again, select your language, that is suppose English, and click on this mic button. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. So like this, friends, if you want to type through voice in Facebook Messenger, you can type here. Again, just click on this mic icon and speak. Thank you very much for your warm wishes. Like this. It is very easy, friends. We can use this application, this setting in different applications and in many or different languages. So dear friends, if you have liked this video, please click on like, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications regarding other videos. And please share this video. Thank you very much for watching.